Jomari Guerrero. And from the red corner, representing from Marilog District, Justine Maturo. This is a 3 rounds of boxing, 2 minutes per round, 1 minute interval. This is okay, so
Pugong di nga, pugong!
let's start with the first round. Matira Matibay.
Kaya naman na bukating, bukiting!
Barangay Council,
Oy!
headed by our Barangay
Guard, oh, guard!
Dam, Bawal, and the rest of the Barangay functionaries. Close na yung budget. Pilawas, oh.
Pugong ting! Pugong lang! Oh! Pidal! 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 Ipong! Ipong! Ala! Ala! Ay, ako ba eh! Pidal lang! Pidal! Pidal! Pidal lang! Ako na bangon! Anate ko! Good! Oh! Ate! Ay, kawai! Ting! Ay, kawai! Bukli lang! Bukli! Oh! Bukli! Bukli! Ting! Bukli! Bukli! Ay, kawai!
Okay, in the next round,
Bukli!
let's
Bukli!
play Matunog and
Good! Good! Ala! Ayaw! Ayaw! Atras! I-block lang! I-block!
Dexter
I-block lang! I-block!
Perolino from Tugbuk. Mahulog yung Tugbuk niya po nung sunod na nga fight.
Na! Ihok! Ting! Ihok! Imong wala! Ting! Ihok!
Prepare na.
Ihok! Imong wala! Ihok ba? Ihok ang wala! Ana!
Ana, ok. Siguro dua.
Hok straight ting! Ana ting! Go!
Ok straight, ok straight. Ok straight tayo, ok straight. Ok straight.
Hok si Ana! Una ang straight and hok! Sabay hok! Nakababayang gardo!
10 seconds.
Ana! Ikaw! Dinigo! Straight hook tayo! Straight hook! Iyay ka!
Ok, pida lang.
Pinal! Pinal!
Time and the first round.